Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we're here at Blue Oval Performance with Chung. Today we're going to talk about the Black Widow. It's on the lift right now. Wanted to kind of show you guys what a 35,000 mile 1993 Foxbody or 1990 Foxbody Mustang actually looks like and how there's no rust. We'll do a quick walk around. You can actually see how in here there's no rust, there's no dents or anything. When you come underneath here, there's no rust. Just work your way down this way. You can see that the floor pans have no rust. And this is just surface rust on the old mufflers that came with it. These are going to get changed out to whatever brand. I'm not sure yet, but it will get changed out eventually. If you look in here, there's no rust here. No rust on the floor pans at all. If you look up in here, strut towers, they have no rust. The frame rails on both sides are good. And you can see here I have the Coney orange struts and Coney orange shocks in the rear. These are Ibach Sportline springs, so that's what gives the Black Widow its stance. These are Ibach sway bars front and back. And then here's a Stifler's transmission mount there. This dog bone's gonna probably come off, but honestly, I have no problem with it being there, so it'll probably stay there. Right now, temporarily, until we do the 5-lug swap, I have my old 17-inch chrome Celine wheels on for now. It's just a temporary thing in case we have to move it around the shop. But you can see that the rear disc brake conversion has been done, but now we gotta take it apart again and do the 5-lug swap. And then once we do the 5-lug swap, we'll put the other set of wheels on there. There are other mods to come. Where I'm thinking about putting Air Ride on from Ride Tech. That seems to be like the premier one. They're expensive, but I mean, you get what you pay for, right? And on the Black Widow, we put only the best quality as much as possible. So anyway, that's a quick overview of a 35,000 mile Foxbody underneath the car. This is what it typically looks like. Today I'm going to start the 5-lug swap. I'll start on the easiest part, which is the rear end. Let's go. All right, so first we need to get these wheels off. If you wonder what I'm doing, I'm looking for a bar to put on this to give me enough leverage to pop that bolt loose. That's what I'm looking for. Makes it hard because I'm wandering around the shop, not using my own tools, so I know where nothing is, but we're giving it our best shot.
How you doing?
Good, yourself?
Good. Look at you getting into it, man.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
So, do you have a bar, a long bar I can use for leverage?
Yes.
Hey, I just wanted to jump in here and let you guys know that there's a lot more changes to come in this video series. We're actually trying to get ready for Motor City Foxfest 2025. So that is the plan. I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. why I try to keep my channel like real.
Yeah.
They can see my frustration
Yeah.
and the time it takes because, dude, it's not easy.
No. It's frustrating.
It's very frustrating.